The story begins with a young man named Arun, frustrated and exhausted from his repeated failures in life. Despite working hard, success always seemed out of reach. One day, he decided to travel to the monastery, where Gautam Buddha was known for offering profound wisdom. Upon reaching, he found Buddha meditating under the Bodhi tree and humbly approached him for guidance. Arun bows respectfully and says, "O enlightened one, I have worked tirelessly but still find myself far from success. What am I doing wrong? Please help me understand the path to success." Buddha opens his eyes gently, smiles at Arun, and invites him to sit by his side. Buddha begins by narrating a parable. Imagine a skilled archer who wishes to hit a target far in the distance. But if his mind is distracted, his aim will waver, and he will miss the target every time. Success is like this. Only with focus and clarity of purpose can one hit the mark. He emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals. Buddha continues, "Success does not come instantly. Just as a tree grows steadily from a small seed, your hard work must be coupled with patience. The tree does not bear fruit overnight, it takes time. The same is true for success. It requires both persistence and time." Buddha further explains, "Many people fail because they rush through life, mindlessly chasing after results. Mindfulness is key to success. Be aware of every action you take, every decision you make, and how it contributes to your goal. When you live mindfully, you become the master of your actions, not a slave to circumstances." Buddha tells Arun that fear and self-doubt are obstacles on the path to success. You must believe in your ability to achieve your goals, and when faced with challenges, remain calm and confident. Remember, the path may be difficult, but your inner strength and belief will guide you. Buddha speaks of the need to let go of attachment to outcomes. When you are too attached to the result, you invite suffering. Focus instead on your efforts, and success will come naturally. Let go of the fear of failure and the desire for instant results. Work with dedication and allow the universe to unfold. Buddha also reminds Arun of the importance of gratitude and compassion on the path to success. Those who help others and appreciate what they already have attract more success. Compassion and kindness are essential virtues on this journey, as they open doors and create positive energy. As the conversation concludes, Buddha tells Arun, "Success is not just reaching a destination, but also transforming yourself on the journey. Grow with each challenge, learn with each failure, and succeed with each step you take, with purpose and peace." Inspired by Buddha's words, Arun stands up, bowing respectfully. He leaves the monastery with a clear mind, determined to apply the lessons he learned. As he walks away, there's a sense of peace on his face, knowing he now has the tools for success.